These glass water bottles from Lifefactory are excellent. I've been using them for over 2 years. In fact, this is the 5th and 6th bottle that I've bought. I'll tell you why in today's 2-minute review. You can also learn more with the link in the description. I like the packaging, which is just a simple paper sleeve, and you're supposed to be able to pull it off by pulling on the little tab there, but it never works. That is the only weakness of this product. The main reason why I love the Lifefactory bottle is that it's made out of glass and you can just throw it in the dishwasher. It doesn't leave any odors or stains on the bottle. The edge here is also very comfortable to drink from. It's very nicely rounded. I also like the handle at the top. This makes it really easy to carry it around, for example, at the gym, which is actually my main use case for this bottle. So why do I have so many of the Lifefactory bottles? Well, firstly, you can get them in many different colors, but I actually don't care so much about the colors in the end. No, I wanted bottles in different sizes. For example, this is the only one that fits under the tap at one of my favorite comedy clubs. So that's why I got this smaller version. This is 335 milliliter or 12 ounces. The medium size is 475 milliliters or 16 ounces, and the big one is 650 milliliters or 22 ounces. The bottles are all different heights and widths at the bottom. However, at the top, at the opening, they're all the same width. And that means that the same cap will fit on all of them. You can also get different types of caps, like a flip top or one that has space for a straw. There's 2 more things that I really like about the caps on the Lifefactory water bottle. Number 1 is that the seal is very tight. I've never had a leak, and I often have these bottles in my backpack, sometimes upside down, and they don't leak. Number 2 is that the caps have these sections that protrude out. And for the longest time, I didn't know what they were for. But I think I figured it out. And I think it is to prevent the bottle from rolling. Sometimes you may have to place the bottle lying down instead of standing up. For example, at the sauna at my gym, the space for personal items is not tall enough to fit a standing bottle, so I have it lying on its side instead. Also, if you were to drop the bottle, it's not going to roll away because of those sections on the cap. The second answer to the question, why have I bought so many Lifefactory water bottles, is that 2 of them got stolen. This is a very attractive bottle. And the third one broke. It fell from a bench down to the tiled floor in my gym locker room. The edge of the bottle hit the floor and it's just chipped. Every other time I've dropped these bottles, they have survived it because they have this protective silicone sleeve. The Lifefactory water bottles are excellent. You can learn more about pricing and availability with a link in the description below the video. Click or tap the screen here to watch my comparison between the Lifefactory bottle and one from purifyou. I go through a range of comparisons between these 2 brands. So check out that video now. Thank you very much for watching 2-minute reviews, and I will see you in the next video.